I'll do, and welcome to another Hengist Wild Camps. Today I'm back out in the peaks, and I'm just near Langsett Reservoir, which you can see just down there. We're currently making our way up Cut Gate towards Howden Edge, and I say we because I'm with my partner in crime again, Kieran. He's agreed to come with me as long as I sign his community service order logbook for the hours that he's done. Right, well, yeah, it's been a bit wet, but it seems to be easing off a bit now. So, without further ado, we'll plod on. Time for an update. We've just got to the top of Cut Gate. You can see cairn there. That's where we've come up from. What we're doing next is heading down that path there, and then we'll be turning as we're going that way right and taking the lower path to Bullstones. And then once we're there, we're going to get some spring water. Now it's not far to Crowstones from there. Well, it's stopped raining at least. Bit chilly with wind blowing on my ears. Might put my balaclava on later. Right, well, I think we'll plod on. It's about 25 past 1 now, so we've made really good progress. I'll speak to you once we've got to Bullstones. We've just arrived at Bullstones. Oh, it's nice up here. The rain has stopped, although as soon as we got over top of Cut Gate and got on this side, we got hit by wind. Well, the reason we're at Bullstones is because just down there is the spring, and we're going to take our bags off and have a wander down there now and get some water. This'll do. Aye. Grand view, isn't it?
Bit of heather trumping.
Oh yeah. Takes it out here, doesn't it, going across that heather?
Ready for a beer. And the Queuins champions, 7 points. Good.
That wind's a bit biting, isn't it? On this side.
I think we'll guideline there.
It's about 3:30 and we're at Crowstones, and you can see Rocking Stone just there, and we're all pitched up. We've not got the greatest pitch in the world here, but it's the best we could find. Temperature's dropped a bit since we pitched up as well, but it don't really matter now. We've got our shelters up, it can start raining. Well, I'll do my usual. I'll switch on the camera and we'll have a walk around tent. I'll show you where I've pitched. So here's where I'm pitched. I'm in the Outkit Tarpstar one again. And even though it's not the greatest bit of ground to pitch on, I've got a fairly taut tent again. Oh, there's a bit of rain in the air. Right, well, I'll make this short. I don't want to get wet. There's Kieran, and he's aboard. Well, inside there, I've got my usual stuff. I've got my German Army folding mat. I even brought my sit pad because I brought my Kestrel 48 so I could fit more stuff in it. I've got my water there. Got some beers on my Soto table. I've got my cooking equipment with my new frying pan. Next to it I've got some food, cutlery, bits and bats, some electrical items. As I said, rucksack right at the back. In there I've got my climate static insulated V-light, my -3 down bag On top of there, I've got me synthetic puffer jacket, down trousers and booties. And underneath that lot, right at the back, my Flextail neck contour pillow. Right, well, I'm going to dive in the tent now, and I think it's time for a beer. Well, I'm in my tent, and everything's finally sorted, and also covered in mud. It's very muddy around here. Well, it's time for a McEwen's Champion 7.3. I'm just going to open it. It's down there. Well, everybody, good health, and cheers. Oh, by gum, that's good beer. Right, well, Kieran's just there.
Hello.
We're about 3 foot apart, if that.
Cozy.
And yeah, I'm just going to unwind and relax, drink this, have a bit of a chat, and not long till sunset. It's just, I don't know if you can see it. I'm doing my usual work, I can't see what I'm filming.
That's a direction.
But yeah, not long before it sets. So I might be cooking in the dark. Depends how fast I drink this beer. I'll see you later. Ooh. Well, good morning, everybody. I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 8 o'clock or something like that. Oh, didn't do much filming last night. Just made some food, had something to drink, and then fell asleep. Well, I think I'm going to get a brew on. I'll see you in a bit. I've just made my brew. I'll just grab it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, well, I'm not in a rush. I'm going to take my time, drink this brew, and then by then I should have woken up. Oh, the rain's starting, I think. Yeah, I'm going to drink my brew and then think about packing up. Well, that's us all packed up. It's a bit blustery, and that's probably the coldest camp I've done, you know, since summer. That got a bit chilly last night. Well, I'm just having my usual look around for bits of rubbish and tent pegs, but I'm pleased to say that it's all nice and tidy. I was just there, and Kieran was just there, and yeah, everything's ship shape, no beer cans left behind or out like that, or bits of rubbish. Right, well, on this windy morning from Crowstones, see Rocking Stone there, we're going to plod on back down Cupgate. I'll show you some views along the way, and I'll speak to you when we've got back to the car. But for now, we're going to plod on. I'm back at the car. Whew. If I seem a bit out of breath, that's because I am. It was all downhill and I've got a lighter pack, but I think we've just done just over 5 miles. Yeah, it was a lovely morning walk. All that's left to do now is to get all this kit off, get in the back of the car, start the drive home. But before I do that, I just want to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And as per usual, I'll look forward to your comments, because I do enjoy replying to those. Well, there's nothing more really to say, apart from I'll see you next time for another Hengist Wild Camps. It's cheerio from me.
It's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him. See you all next time.